Hey guys, welcome to lesson number 11. In this we're gonna just learn how to do the teal and orange color effect in Lightroom. As you all know, teal and orange are very famous on whole internet, and almost all the Instagram fashion blogger or popular photographers are using this kind of color effect in their photos. So I'll show you how to use them or how to do that kind of color grading in Lightroom. So let's get started, guys. Hello guys, welcome to lesson number 11. In this tutorial or the lesson, we're gonna just learn how to create a teal and orange tone or color effect in Lightroom, which is a very famous tone on whole internet, right? So let's go to the develop tab and we're gonna just edit this photo. So all you need to do is first of all go to the camera calibration over here, right? So it is a very simple technique. All you're gonna do is just move the slider of the blue primary color all the way to the 100 and just select the green tone and just move the slider to all the way to 100 on this, and here the red primary color, just move the slider all the way to around 100 on this portion. As you can see, we have achieved a perfect teal and orange with a single click, right? You can also do the basic and add a little bit of teal color to the photo by adding a -5 tint or -7 tint would be pretty perfect, I guess. Now if you want to save this, as you can see, here is the before and here is the after. With a very single click or technique, you have turned your photo to kind of perfect teal and orange. Now if you want to save this, what we have learned, just right click on it, select export and click on the export button and just save that photo. So this is how you can turn any of the photo with teal and orange effect with a single click. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial where we're gonna learn how to create a moody texture, right? So till then guys, be creative and be awesome.